welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashia Dandi and for today's video, I'm going to be recreating and rating Bollywood celebrities' makeup routines. So let's get started. So first disclaimer is that these are their personal makeup routines, not what they get done for events from their makeup artists. And second, I'm going to be judging these looks on 4 parameters overall: ease, affordability, how easy it is to achieve, and how does it look. And third is obviously I don't have all the exact same products, so I'm going to try to find closest alternatives and use them for my look. So let's just get started. First up we have Parineeti Chopra. So the first thing she does is uses Nivea Soft all over her face. Honestly, it's a great product. I'm going to be using the Pond's Super Light Moisturizer because it falls in the same category and I find this also intensely hydrating and I kind of love it under my makeup. So let's do that. Can't believe she uses Nivea Soft, guys. Like, that's affordable. Next up, she immediately takes an Armani foundation on a fluffy brush and dabs it under her eyes and around her chin. That's it. She doesn't go all over her face, which I'm finding a little scary. I'm going to be using the Dior Backstage foundation. Super high-end, very your skin but better kind of coverage. She takes it on the back of her cap, which is gross, honestly, because the cap of your makeup is exposed to all germs and bacteria, and no, don't do that. And she just puts it under her eyes and under her chin. Let's blend it. My issue is also that she doesn't use it over her eyes because that's where I have pigmentation as well and I don't get to cover it. That's the base. Next up, she takes a big fluffy brush and takes some MAC powder blush and uses it all over her face. I'm going to be using the Givenchy powder blush, equally expensive. And I think I have a very similar color, honestly. Let's apply it. That looks good only, वैसे तो no problems so far. And she takes brown eyeshadow and she puts it all over her eye without any crease side, nothing doing, just swipe it across the lid. Okay, I see why she didn't use a concealer on her eyes because it was just gonna get covered. The under eyes are really bothering me because it's drawing a lot of emphasis. This eyeshadow is drawing a lot of emphasis to the under eyes. Then she first uses a spoolie and combs out her brows and then fills them in. Okay, and then just applies mascara directly on her lashes, no curling. Let's do it. But पहले कौन brush out करता है? You're supposed to fill it in and then brush it out to blend in the product. I don't know what eyebrow pencil she's using. I think it looked like the NYX one, but I'm using the Benefit brow pencil. I still don't like the lines, so I'm gonna go in and brush it out one more time. Again, I couldn't really tell which mascara she's using, but she didn't curl her lashes. I'm using the Benefit Bad Gal Bounce Mascara and I'm just gonna put it on my top lashes. She didn't even apply it to her bottom lashes. I so desperately want to curl my lashes. You guys have no idea. This looks like it's non-existent. I hate it. Next, she uses a K Hydra Creme lipstick. I think those are what they're called. And then she follows it up with a butter gloss in a nude shade. I don't have the K Beauty lipstick. I'm using my MAC lipstick because it's in a similar shade. Then she uses a lip butter from NYX. I have a similar product from Givenchy, so I'm going to use that. That's actually a really nice lip combo that I've been sleeping on because how pretty does it look. And then she uses a concealer. And that's it. What are you saying? She ended the tutorial. She uses the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer as the last step of her makeup. Why? Why is there no powder? Why is there no setting spray? And why is your concealer coming last? I'm going to dot it like she did, and again use a fluffy brush to blend it in place. See, honestly, how did we think that was gonna look good? How? It just makes my under eyes look so grey. Can you see it? I'm just going to open my hair and see the vibes of this makeup. Okay, so my thoughts are, I love the lip, I love the blush also. I hate the over and under eye situation completely. The brows are fine. So was this easy to do? Yes. Was it affordable? Kind of, except Armani. I think everything was around a decent budget. Was it easy to do? Yeah, absolutely. Does it look good? I really don't think so. I don't like the eye situation at all. And what do you guys think? Next up, we've got Miss Kriti Sanon. She directly starts by using 4 dots of concealer. What is it with these celebrities not giving base? I'm going to be using a full coverage concealer. There is no visual of which concealer she's using. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Lovely. Love it so much. She thankfully does use a thinner brush which you can focus the coverage with. So I'm gonna do the same. That's okay, I can roll with it. Then she's taking a Rare Beauty blush and applying it on her lids. And then quickly using an eyeshadow stick and putting it all over her lids and the under eyes, and she's continuously blending it. And then she takes some kajal and she blends it as well. That's a lot of steps for the eyes. Let's go. And again, there's like no product on my eye which is bothering me so much. Then she uses an eyeshadow stick. I'm pretty sure hers is from Bobbi Brown, but mine is from Lakme. Just apply it all over the lids. I'm honestly not a fan of eyeshadow sticks because of how much color you get. And there's barely any control. I'm going to take a clean brush and blend it. They've shown a lot of blending in the video, which I'm glad she does. By the way, if you're wondering, I am going to try to link as many products as possible in this video. If they're not in the video, make sure to check out the description box. They are going to be linked. I think it's doable, but she also uses it here, which I don't know how I feel about that. But the babe is attempting a smoky eye on her own, which is so refreshing to see, honestly, as compared to like all the other celebs who just do basic makeup looks. It's very nice. And then she takes a black kajal and lightly draws an eyeliner and also like adds it to her waterline. Honestly, it adds a subtle depth which I really like. Then she puts some mascara. Let's do that. I'm using the same one that I did in the previous tutorial. You know, with smoky eyes, again, like I prefer a really bright under eye so that your eyes can actually pop. Then she uses a lip liner, applies some powder blush. It's kind of washing me out, but with a smoky eye, I see why you would do a nude lip. I'm just gonna go ahead and use the same blush we did for Parineeti because her blush is not even visible on her face. So I'm just using like the excess from the brush. She uses a brow wax and uses a nude liquid lipstick. I'm using the Benefit Brow Wax. I know for a fact that Kriti has microbladed brows like I do, because when I met her, I couldn't stop staring at the brows because they were so thick. I think she had just gotten it done, and it does stay dark for like 10-15 days before it like settles into your skin and looks normal. It looks like you have eagle brows. And when I met her, I was like, why your eyebrows? I didn't tell her, but I was like thinking why her brows were like that. And then I was like, oh, maybe she just got them done, which is why you don't need to fill it in. You can just like brush them in place and it looks amazing. Then she uses a nude lipstick. I'm gonna stick with the same one because it matches the lip liner. And then she uses the Hyphen peptide lip treatment. I don't have this particular color, so I'm gonna again stick with my Givenchy. Perfume, earrings. Okay, voila, ready to go. Beautiful. Okay, so let's talk about this look. Was it easy to do? I'd say yeah. Like for a smoky eye, it's been done very easily. Like you could be using shadows and making it a very long process. So I do feel like the eyeshadow stick hack made it very easy to create. Was it affordable? I think apart from Hyphen, there was nothing affordable in her look. So definitely not. How does it look? Honestly, again, the under eyes are a big problem area for me and I wish I could get more coverage. But other than that, it does look really nice. Like, would I create this smoky eye again? 100%. I'm actually impressed with the creativity there and it looks quite nice. I think this was look number 2. Tell me what you think about it in the comments. Up next, we have Miss Alia Bhatt. My eyes are already watering a bit from like cleansing, so we'll just ignore that. So she starts with absolutely no base whatsoever. She directly starts with the Rhode blush. She applies it like this. So we're gonna do that. I'm using my Huda blush. This no base stuff is scaring me, you guys. Like it's scaring me at this point. So she just applies it very randomly and then she applies some on the temples as well. So I'm gonna do that. I mean, you look kind of sun-kissed, but I'd really prefer some base. Then she uses a L'Oreal lipstick and applies it. And then she takes it and again adds more blush. I have the new L'Oreal Colorish lipstick in a nude shade. So I'm just gonna apply that. Honestly, I don't love this shade on me. Let me see if I can find another one of these. So I found a little more red brown shade which works better for my skin tone. Yeah, I think that looks a little better. And then I have to apply it on my cheeks as well. Then she uses a brow wax. She shows it, but I really can't tell which one it is. I'm just going to apply brow. Then she takes some mascara and she applies it, but I don't know if she's actually applied it because this is how the video is shot and then like the lashes are there. We're just gonna apply it. Then I think she takes the L'Oreal Lumi cream and applies it as a highlighter. I don't have that. I'm using Chanel instead. Very like subtle glow it gives. I think she's the only celebrity who's shown us highlighter and I'm honestly thankful for it. Less is more. She says that after applying 2 types of blushes and 1 type of highlighter and yet nothing is visible on her face at the end of the video, which I'm just like, how? I can't see anything. So was this easy to do? Yeah, it was very random. Was it quick? Again, yes. Does it look good? Honestly, you tell me because I think I look little mad. Like I look like I have just learned how to do makeup and I'm just scrambling for pieces. I didn't like that. Are the products affordable? I think this was in partnership with L'Oreal, so yeah, kind of the products were affordable. Do I like this look? I'm not so sure. Even if I was on a beach and doing like a no makeup, I would still opt for a little bit of concealer and then do like a blush mascara situation. And after all three looks, I feel like Kriti's would be on top, Pariniti's would be second, and third would be Alia's, depending on what looked best on my features and my face and my skin condition and stuff like that. Let me know your favorite in the comments below. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to like it, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next Saturday. Bye.